Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody emailed me and questioned how you could get this interactive fill tool to work on a line or a circle or an ellipse, an outline. So let's take an ellipse. Let's go ahead and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Let's make it 36 points. Well, let's make it 55 points. Now, the interactive fill tool will not work on this. It does the center of it. So to get it to work, you have to go to Object and convert the outline to an object. And then I would left click, right click in any color, and then smart fill it with your color of your choice. I'm going to pick red, and I'm going to fill that in. I'm actually going to move it over. So now we have no outline. What we actually do, if you look close, but we can take away the outline by left clicking on the no fill. And then just get your interactive fill tool and swipe across it. And you see it's already working. And if we take a yellow and put it here, let's take a light purple and put it there. Let's take a green and put it there. And you can just keep going forever and never and ever. You can keep adding fill to that. So you can't do it on a line, but you can do it on, it's basically an object now. It's a fill, it's a curve. And what is cool about this, because it's a object, we can fill it in. And let's take the Smart Fill tool and let's use this burnt orange, and we can fill it in. Once again, I'd select it all and take away the outline. Yours might not even do that. I might be using somebody else's file, and I am. So no outline next time you do it. Now to get this effect, pretty easy. Click on your item, go to Interactive Fill Tool, swipe across, but then go right here. It'll pop up elliptical, and then you put this in the center. You can change the color of the inside one. Whoop, I must have missed it. You got to get inside that box. And now you can expand it out and make it look like that. I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.